The need for improved awareness on the importance of contraceptive use by persons of reproductive age was the focus of this year's World Contraception Day celebration held at the Umuagu Primary Health Care Center in Asaba. The Permanent Secretary in the State Ministry of Health Care Development Agency, Dr. Jude Winful Orieke, at the occasion said time had come for more concerted efforts towards ensuring that every pregnancy was intentional, desirable, and safe. Eunice Emeazia brings details.
The Permanent Secretary, represented by the Director Community Health Services in the agency, Dr. Yinkara Paul, said contraception was an informed decision by an individual or couple on how many children they needed and when to have them, adding that the practice involved the use of modern contraceptive methods to adequately space pregnancies. He said a theme for this year's celebration, Breaking Myths, was apt, as a lot of myths and misconceptions abounded about contraception and family planning, stressing that women and girls deserved access to quality and accurate information on safe, effective, affordable, and acceptable contraception of choice as enshrined in its Sustainable Development Goals. In her presentation on types of modern contraception, the State Family Planning Coordinator, Mrs. Patience AK, said contraception allowed people of reproductive age to plan childbearing with the reduction of high-risk pregnancies. Mrs. AK said contraception helped in the reduction of maternal and child mortality and the prevention of unplanned pregnancies among teenage girls, thereby helping girls stay in school, work, and gain social and economic empowerment, as well as sustain the progress in the fight against HIV/AIDS and other sexually transmitted diseases. Mrs. Ake said the state government had done a lot in ensuring that every woman of reproductive age had access to quality family planning services, assuring Deltans that contraception and family planning was available in all government hospitals and primary health care centers in the state. The regional manager of the Maristopes Nigeria, Mrs. Omeche Enemako, reiterated the commitment of our organization to support the state government in implementing family planning services through demand generation, advocacy, training and retraining of family planning service providers, as well as provision of commodities and consumables. Highlight of the Contraception Day celebration was the distribution and administration of modern contraception methods. Eunice Emeazia reporting.